Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are solving most important Olympiad math problem that is asked in many entrance exam. Question is, find the area of rectangle. First of all, I will draw a triangle, that is right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. This point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. Now consider a rectangle inside this triangle. Let's suppose this is a rectangle in this triangle. Now you have to find the area of this rectangle. Now let's suppose this point is E, this point is F, and this point is D. And length of this is 6 and length of D to C is 18. And here this is also a right angle triangle. This is also right angle triangle. Now we have to find the area of this. It's mean we will write solution as area of rectangle EFBD equal to what? You have to find this area. Let's suppose this distance is X and this distance is Y. So area equals X into Y. It's mean you have to find the product of this. To solve this, you can see these are two right angle triangles and that are congruent. So let's suppose there are two angles alpha and beta are complementary angles. It's mean their sum is equal 90. Let's suppose this angle is alpha, so this angle is also alpha, and this angle is beta, so this angle is also beta. It's mean two triangles are similar. Similar triangles because of angle. Angles are same. So we will write their ratio is also same. EF, this side is EF by AE or EA, and for this one we will write DC by FD, because triangle AEF is similar to triangle FDC. For this reason, now we will substitute the values in this. EF equals X and EA equals 6, DC equals 18 and FD equals Y. So by cross multiplication we have XY equal 18 multiply 6. We multiply 18 by 6, we get 108. So We have to find the area of rectangle that was equal x into y. So we get 18 multiplies 6, that is 108 square units. So this will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most important Olympiad geometry problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.